gets quiet, you come close and I can feel your heart. All the things that we've been fighting somehow fade away when we're not apart. I know we both got scars we hide, and sometimes love gets hard to hold. But when you look into my eyes, I know I never wanna let you go. Lay your head on my shoulder, let me hold you through the night. Even when the world gets colder, I keep you warm inside my arms tonight. When you're tired of being strong, I'll be there to carry you. And when you think that love is gone, I'll remind you what we have is true. Yeah, we've had days when we couldn't understand, said some words that we wished we could take.